Everyone, this is Kishore Kumar Senthil Kumaran, and this is my presentation for the Web Application Technologies assignment. And in this video, I will be walking through my Django project hosted inside GitHub code spaces. I will cover the required items, my GitHub commit history, my Django models, and the admin configuration, and my views and the URLs, template structure and stylings, static files, and finally a quick live demonstration of my site. First, I'll just show my git commit history. These are my git commit history. You can see in the screen. I have done everything according to the hours. First, I added the style sheet, and then I completed my design stage, and then the checkpoint content populated from the database and checkpoint model extension, and I also added a feature called search and filtering functionality for councils and projects. And then I have removed duplicate content in councils.html, and then I have added AI prompt log documenting learning and development process, and finally I have updated Django settings, templates, and the CSS. You can see it according to between these checkpoints. You can also see several smaller comments such as added budget calculations, created councils, everything. Then I will show my project structure. These are my project. I will show my settings.py. This is my settings.py. You can see in the screen. Inside install app, you can see my app, Python, supply chain, Django contributor admin, Django contributor authority. I also configured a static file which Django needs to serve CSS content. In this version of my settings, debug is set to true, which is required during development, and I added this. This allows the development server to run in code space. The settings file also automatically points the templates directly my SQLite database. You can see, and now I will show my. This is the static app. Inside it, I have a folder called supply chain. I have the style sheets here. You can check my style sheets. This is all the style sheet. I included colors, everything in it. And now I will show my models.py. This is my models.py. Now let's look at my models.py file. Here I have three main models: council, project, and supplier. And in the councils, that's a title, description, category, priority status, start and the end dates, total budgets, and the spent amount. And in the project, you can see the title, description, budget, councils, everything. In the supplier field, there's a name, contact person, email, phone number, and the company registration, and the website address, everything. In the class project supplier, you can see the project supplier, the contract value, the role, and the start date and the end date. Now I'll show my views.py. This is my views.py. I have included the search functionality in it, which helps the viewers to search what they need easily. And now I will show my urls.py. And this is my test.py. And inside the supply chain folder, there is an about.html. You can see what is the project is about. And in the base.html, you can see this and all. I will show my live project what I created. This is the sales.ca. Now I will run the program and show you how is it working. First, I will just go to my Django project directory, cd Django projects, and enter. Now I want to run my server, Python manage.py run server, and I'm running the server port 8001. I click enter, the server starts running. After that I will get a link to open my website. Now I'm opening this website. See, this is my website I have created. It also is the home. What is home? This is the home page. It says what to do. Council coordinations, data driven insights, integrated system, key features. These are the key features I have implemented in the project, and it shows how many projects and the active projects and the total budget of the projects. Now I will show the about page. This is the about page of my supply chain portal app. This is I have created a mission and revision. In the background and history, you can see it says how it works. Council registration, project creation, data management, and portal access. This is our impact. It says how many councils are participating in the active projects and the project budget and the asset digital. I also added why to choose supply chain portal. Says why. And it also built with the modern technology like Django framework, responsible design, SQLite database, and Django admin. And these are the councils. It says what is the council and which region and whom to contact, email, and what is the status of the council, everything. These are the and it says whom to contact, direct contact, and join the network and everything. And all project page shows the projects in it. If I want to search a project, community, and if I search from community center development and give search, just loading. Yeah, it says if I search it says active projects 1. It says the what council is it and the budget and the what is the status of the council and the manager. If we want to see that view that council, if I click it, it goes whom to contact, email address, and now what's the total number of projects and what's the total budget and when is it created. These are the projects managed by the district councils. This is my final project. I have done it. Which may I have done the search functionality to find easier to search what I need, and to conclude, this website demonstrates my understanding of Django models and migrations, admin customization, and views and URL routing, template inheritance, static files and the CSS, style sheet, dynamic data loading, and the Git-based development workflow. And thank you for everyone for watching my demonstration.